Given our null hypothesis, or h of 0, mu equals 104. Our alternative hypothesis, or h of 1, mu does not equal 104. X bar equals 115. N equals 16. S equals 6. Which test statistic would be appropriate to test the null hypothesis? Assume a normal distribution if necessary. Your answers: is it going to be A, Z statistic, B, T statistic, C, Pearson R, D, chi-squared, or E, none of these? To the right is a table, and it shows us how to choose between Z and T. Use normal Z distribution if the population standard deviation is known and normally distributed population, or if the population standard deviation is known and n is greater than 30. Use a t distribution if the population standard deviation is not known and normally distributed population, or if the population standard deviation is not known and n is greater than 30. You use a nonparametric method or bootstrapping if the population is not normally distributed and n is less than or equal to 30. Well, in our problem, it states we can assume a normal distribution if necessary. So that right there tells us the nonparametric method or bootstrapping is not going to work because it says the population is not normally distributed. So now we have a choice between a Z distribution and a T distribution. Well, let's look at our n's first. They both require n being greater than 30. They both require, in the first requirement, normal distributed population, and then we have a normal distribution. So we are down to the population standard deviation. Is it known or not known? If it's known, we're going to use Z. If it's unknown, we're going to use T. If we look at all of our given, we don't see the population standard deviation. So because it's unknown, we're going to use the T distribution. So the correct answer here is B, T statistic. So your answer is B. We will circle B. And the reason it is B is because the population standard deviation is unknown.